Hello everyone, welcome back to online classes. Today we are going to discuss about boiler corrosion. This is the second trouble which is going to take place in case of a boiler feed water. As you know, the corrosion is a process of destruction of a metal under the influence of an environment by chemical or electrochemical attack. Here boiler corrosion can be defined as it is the decay or disintegration of a boiler material either through chemical or electrochemical reactions with its surrounding environment. Boiler corrosion in boilers is due to the presence of dissolved oxygen, or it may be due to dissolved carbon dioxide and magnesium chloride. Now we'll see one by one. The first one is presence of dissolved oxygen. When water invariably contains dissolved oxygen, that can be one of the main cause for boiler corrosion. The high temperature and pressure prevailing in the boiler facilitates the attack of oxygen on boiler metal, that is iron or a steel. Here the iron will react with the oxygen in presence of a water to produce ferrous hydroxide, and the ferrous hydroxide further reacts with excess amount of oxygen to produce a rust product. The boiler corrosion caused by the presence of dissolved oxygen can be prevented by eliminating oxygen from the boiler water. Dissolved oxygen can be removed by several methods, by treating with the disodium sulfide, or it may be due to sodium thiosulfate or many other reagents by adding it. Second one is called as due to dissolved carbon dioxide. Again, water here also contains variable amounts of dissolved carbon dioxide. Further, the decomposition of residual bicarbonates also contribute for an increase in carbon dioxide level in boiler water. Dissolved carbon dioxide produces carbonic acid by the following reaction, and salts like calcium bicarbonate on heating in boiler produces carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide dissolves in water to form a carbonic acid which corrodes the boiler metal. Carbon dioxide can be eliminated from boiler water by the addition of calculated amount of ammonia. And third one is due to mainly because of dissolved salts like magnesium chloride. The presence of magnesium chloride produces hydrochloric acid due to hydrolysis. It reacts further with the iron metal and leads to corrosion by the following reaction. Look at the reaction. Magnesium chloride first will react with the water to produce mineral acid such as HCl, and the HCl react again with iron to produce FeCl2, and this FeCl2 further again reacts with water to produce ferrous hydroxide. So as you know, once the ferrous hydroxide is formed in the reaction, it again reacts with oxygen to produce magnetic product which is called as a rust. Hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching.